Click on home button and look at this, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit for script. And as you can see guys, we have what's up guys, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Blox Fruits script for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search Blox Fruits and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our username, so let me enter mine quickly. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait for this. Okay, user found. Just click connect and answer for this question. Do you have any executor? No. Import the newest, yes, and select script that you want to add to your account. Click continue and let's wait a little bit. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices guys. So just scroll down and click verify to complete. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 3 games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app or download it. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this just play and this swag bag, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task. I got this status complete, success, almost done. So let me wait for this redirecting guys and let's see the next step. Injection successful guys, that's it. I have this message, okay. So let me open my Roblox and let's test. Does it actually work? Okay, so let me click here. Okay guys, I'm now in the game and look at this. We have this, click on home button and look at this, all scripts are added successfully. Just click execute, okay, and let's wait a little bit for script. And as you can see guys, we have Forge Hub, and just wait a little bit. Look at this guys, we have all these features, okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.